Hi everyone. Today we are discussing first year mathematics B, second chapter, transformation of axis. Chapter name is transformation of axis for change of axis. IP weightage is 4 marks only. Same as it is first chapter locus is also 4 marks weightage. Now running second chapter is also 4 marks weightage for IPE. Sir, what is the transformation of axis, sir? In a plane, axis places are not a fixed. Suppose first time I will draw your axis here, second time draw here. For example, first time here, this one is the x-axis, this one is the y-axis. Second day I will draw a diagram here, axis here, this one is x-axis, this one is y-axis. So indirectly, what you know, in a plane, axis places are not a fixed. We can draw any way we play. Plane is like a blackboard. Now here, transformation of axis. Axis can be transformed, changed. Axis can be transformed or changed in a plane. Transformation of axis are 3 types. How many types? There are 3 types. First one is transformation of axis or change of axis are 3 types. First one is translation of axis. Translation of axis. Second one is rotation of axis. Rotation of axis. Third one is translation and rotation of axis. Translation and rotation of axis. Transformation of axis are 3 types. First one is translation of axis. Second one is rotation of axis. Third one is both at a time, translation and rotation of axis. They are called a translation of axis. Now, present we are discussing translation of axis. What is the translation of axis? Definition of translation of axis. Translation of axis. Definition here, write down. Origin is shifted. Origin is shifted to any other point. Any other point. Origin is shifted to any other point without changing the direction of axis. What is the definition? The definition of translation of axis is origin is shifted to at any other point. Origin can be shifted to another point, but without changing the direction of axis. Without changing the direction of axis. What is the axis, sir? Already we know. In a plane, two mutually perpendicular lines are called axis. The horizontal line is called x-axis, the vertical line is called y-axis. According to our diagram here, the origin is shifted to another point. For example here, once again I will draw here. First of all, this one x-axis, this one y-axis. This is an origin. Normal. X-axis and y-axis origin. What is the condition? Origin is shifted to any other point. Origin can be shifted to like a length of our marker. Suppose origin is shifted to some point. Another point means here. So next one, what we will get? New axis get. Second one is x dash. This one y dash. Shifted origin. First one is 0, 0. Shifted origin is h, k. What is the formula? What is the definition? Origin is shifted to any other point without changing the direction of axis. So direction of axis is not changed, but origin is shifted. What is the old origin here? Old origin 0, 0 can be shifted from here to here. It means origin is shifted to some point h, k. X-axis direction is horizontal. The line is the vertical. Same direction. X-axis and x dash are parallel. Y and y dash are parallel. Means old axis and new axis are not changed. Direction is not changed. X axis direction as it is x dash. y-axis direction is as it is y dash only without changing the direction of axis. X-axis and x dash are direction not changed. Y and y dash is also not changed. But what is shifted? Is shifted to 0, 0 to h, k. Remember, listen carefully. X, y are old axis. X, y are old. Old means and original. What is the old, original? X, y. Once again I will repeat. What is the x, y? X, y are old axis. Original axis. X, y. Next one. What is the new axis? New axis or are transformed. Transformed are x dash, y dash. Old means x, y. New means or translation. New or translation is x dash, y dash. Most important words. What is the old? Old is x, y. What is the new? New means x dash, y dash. New or transformed. New or transformed. Old or original. Old another name is original. New another name is translation. What is the shifted origin? Shifted origin is h, k. Shifted origin h, k. Once again I will repeat. What is the definition of translation of axis? Origin is shifted to any other point. Old origin 0, 0. It can be shifted to h, k. Without changing the direction of axis. What is the old direction? X-axis direction is this one. X dash is this one. So x and x dash are parallel. Parallel means direction is not be changed. Similarly, y, y direction also same. So y, y direction are not be changed here. Just only shifted only origin without changing the direction of axis. Origin is shifted to h, k. Once again, what is the old points? Old points are x, y. New are x dash, y dash. Shifted origin h, k. The formula is x is equal to formula. X is equal to formula h dash plus h. Y is equal to formula y dash plus k. What is the formula? X is equal means old x is equal to x dash plus h. Old y is equal to y dash plus k. Once again I will read the formula for old. What is the formula? X is equal x dash plus h. Y is equal to formula y dash plus k. I want the new. What is the new, sir? According to the above definition, x dash is equal x minus h. Y dash is equal y minus k. What is the old point? Old point x is equal x dash plus h. Y is equal y dash plus k. By using same formula, x dash is equal x minus h. Your new points y dash is equal y minus k. What is x, k? Shifted origin. Shifted origin. H, h is equal. What is h is equal? H is equal x minus h dash. Y is equal y minus y dash. There are only 3 terms. How many terms? There are only 3 terms. Old, new, shifted. Old means x, y only. Shifted means x dash, y dash only. Sorry, shifted means x, k only. New means x dash, y dash. Old means x, y. New means x dash, y dash. Shifted means h, k. What is the formula for old? X is equal to x dash plus h. Y is equal to y dash plus k. What is the new? Here x dash is equal to x minus h. Y dash is equal to y minus k. Shifted origin is h, k is equal to h is equal to x minus x dash and y is equal to y minus y dash. Note here, old here, old or original, x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k. New is equal to x dash is equal to x minus h, y dash is equal to y minus shifted origin SY is h is equal to h minus h dash, k is equal to y minus y dash are formulas. The most important, old or new, old or original, new or transformed, new origin or shifted origin. That a problem. When origin is shifted to, when origin is shifted to when origin is shifted to 2, 3, origin is shifted to 2, 3 by translation of axis. TA means translation of axis. If the coordinates of P is the coordinates of P changed as 4, minus 3. Find the original coordinates. Find the original coordinates. Listen carefully. Once again I will repeat my words. Old means x, y. New means x dash, y dash. Shifted origin means h, k. Find original and old means x, y. Find new or transformed means x dash, y dash. Find shifted origin means h, k. What is asking given problem? When origin is shifted to 2, 3 means what is given? Given that shifted origin is shifted origin. What is shifted origin? H, k. Already we know origin is shifted to 0, 0 to h, k. Indirectly, what is shifted origin? Shifted origin is 2, 3. Any doubts? What is given? When origin is shifted to 2, 3, origin shifted. Already we know shifted origin h, k. Always shifted origin h, k. Why? Because 0, 0 to it can be shifted to h, k. So indirectly, what is given? H, k is given. What is asking? Find the original coordinates. Find the original coordinates. You want x, y. You want x, y. Given that h, what you want? You want x dash. What you want? You want x, y. Remaining means only remaining points are what is this? The coordinates p changed. Coordinates p changed. Changed means no. So what is given? X dash, y dash is given. X dash, y dash is equal to 4, minus 3. So indirectly x dash is equal to 4. Y dash is equal to minus 3. What you want? You want x, y. For example, they give problems. When origin is shifted to 2, 3 by translation of axis, the coordinates are 4, minus 3. Find the new. Find the new means you want x dash, y dash. So given that is x, y. Once again I will repeat. Shifted origin h, k 2, 3 is not confusion. Next, what you want here? Find the original. What you have to find? You have to find original. Means given is new. Find the original old. So what you have to find? You have to find old. So given a name to he gives only new. Otherwise, then clearly there if the coordinates of p changed as coordinates of p values are changed. Change means new x dash, y dash. Otherwise, find the old sir means given is a new. Suppose find the new, given is a old. But no problem. What you are asking? You are asking find the old coordinates, original coordinates. Means given is a x dash, y dash. What is the formula for x? X is equal to x dash plus h. What is the x dash value? Here 4. What is the h value? H value is 2. What is h value? H value is 2. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Next, y is equal to y dash plus k. What is the y dash? Y dash value is minus 3. What is the k value? K value is 3. So answer is 0. Answer is 6, 0. Once again I will repeat here. you have to find, we want to find original. So given is a new means x dash y dash, shifted origin h comma k. So what you want? You want old formula, x is equal to formula is x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k. The answer is 6 comma 0 only. That's second problem. When origin is shifted to when origin is shifted to minus 2 comma 3, origin is shifted to minus 2 comma 3 by translation of axis. Find the coordinates of find the coordinates of 1 comma 2 with respect to new system. What you want? Find the coordinates of the new system. What you want? You have to find x dash y dash. New is given. So the shifted origin. What is the given conditions are given? That what is given? Shifted origin. So h comma k is equal to, you give minus 2 comma 3. Given problem, when origin is shifted to minus 2 comma 3. Origin is shifted to minus 2 comma 3 means shifted origin h comma k, give h comma k. What you ask? Find the new system. Find the new system means what you want? You want find x dash comma y dash value. Fine. So remaining points are x comma y is equal to 2 comma 3 only. Why? Because there are only 3 terms: old, new, shifted. Old, new, shifted. What you want? You want the new. So remaining are only 2. They are one is shifted and one is old. They ask it clearly. Find the new system. Find the new system means you have to find the new coordinate. New coordinate means x dash comma y dash. You have to find out x dash comma y dash. They are old, new, shifted. Shifted is given. You have to find new. So remaining what is only old. So given variables are given numbers are old x comma 2. Therefore, what is x comma y is equal? What is given? 1 comma 2. Old is 1 comma 2. What you want? You want x dash formula. X dash formula is x minus h. Y dash formula is y minus k. What is the x dash? Okay, as is. What is the x value? X value is 1. H value is minus of minus plus. So x is dash is equal 3. Y dash is equal. What is the y value? Here y value is 2. And k value is minus 3. That is equal to minus 1. Our solution is 3 comma minus 1. Our solution is 3 comma minus 1 only. Once again I will repeat the concept here. When origin is shifted means shift origin is given minus 2 comma 3. What he asked? He asked the new coordinates. I want new coordinates. Finding value is new. So given is old. Here only 3 terms. Shifted, old, new. You have to find new. New find out here. So given shifted is already given. So remaining is only old. Suppose they ask here with respect to old means these are new. With respect to new means these are old. Next problem, madam. When origin is shifted to when origin is shifted to when origin is shifted to when origin is shifted, OS means origin is shifted to 4 comma minus 5 4 comma minus 5 by translation of axis find coordinates of P with reference to new axis with reference to new axis. First one here 0, 3. Second problem -2, 4. Third problem 4, -1. Okay. What he asks when origin is shifted to 4, -5. First problem origin is -4, 4, -5. Second problem also 4, -5. Third problem also 4, -5. What one? First of all 4, 3. What is the when origin is shifted to 4, -5 by translation of axis. So what you want? You want is a new axis. So first one shifted origin is solution. First problem shifted origin h comma k is equal to what is the 4, -5 is given. Next one what you want? The old. So you want a new. Find new means x dash comma y dash. You have to find. Next first problem what is given? X comma y is equal 0, 3, 1. Why? Because shifted origin is h comma k. We want the new. Means given is old is x. This one is y. So what you want formula? X dash is equal to x minus h. Y dash is equal to formula y minus k. So what is x value? X value is 0. H value is -4. That is equal to -4. Next one y dash. Y is equal to value is what is the y value here? 3. Minus k value is +5. That is equal to y dash is equal to 8. -4, 8 is the answer. One side I will repeat here. This one are h comma k. Always these are h comma k. Why? Because shifted origin. Find new. So these are old. Second problem. What is second problem here? Second problem -2, 4 means these are x comma y. What you want? You want x dash is equal to x minus h. X value is -2. What is h value? H value is -4. That is equal to -6. Next one what you want? You want y dash. Y dash is equal to y minus k. Y dash is equal to y minus k. What is the y value? Y value is 4 minus k. Minus or minus plus. So 5. That is equal to 9. Next one, third one. What is the third one here? Third one here 4, -5. So this one is x. This one is y. Next h comma k. What is the x dash value? X dash is equal to x minus h. Y dash is equal to y minus k. We substitute get a 0, 0. Same problem they give in entrance level. Which of the following points are origin? First one answer is -4, 8, not the origin. Second one answer is -6, 9, not the origin. Third one answer is same x minus h. 4 minus 4 0 minus 5 plus 5 answer is 0. We get 0, 0 is the origin. Third one is the correct option for an insect. Not in IP. Once again I will repeat here. Old means x comma y. New means x dash y dash. Shifted means h comma k. These are formulas.